Satisfy art is a concept that invokes a sense of pleasure, calm, and commitment when viewed. It is often visually pleasure, blessed, and harmonization, and it can engage the viewers in a way that feels rewarding. Symmetry and balance. Art that incorporates symmetry tends to feel inherently satisfying in the human eye. Whether it is a perfectly symmetrical design, a balanced composition, or even something like the reflection of a landscape, symmetry often provides a sense of order and calm. Color harmony. Art that uses colors in a harmonious combination can invoke feeling of warmth and satisfaction. Color patterns that complement each other, such as color scheme, are often satisfying to views. Falling lines and movement, fluid, curving lines, and patterns that suggest movement can be inherently satisfying, and they provoke our natural flow and feel effortless and calming. Think of organic shapes like waves, veins, and coloring. Some objects are very satisfying. It's involve our mindful simplicity. It's involve our tackle or textual art. Some people find satisfaction in art that engage sense of touch and texture, and some people engage in colors, and these are very satisfying to a human nature.